In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in Project Replit 26, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the tools you need and how to place clean, readable text right onto your project's canvas. First, open your browser and head over to replit.com. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your work. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar. If the sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see all the navigation options. You're looking for the section labeled Projects. Click that to open your list of projects. From the list, choose the project where you want to add text. If you have a lot of projects, a quick scroll or search will help you spot the right one. Double-click the project to open it in the editor. Give it a moment to load. You should see your files, the code area, and the workspace panels. Inside the project, locate the canvas area. Depending on your layout, this might appear as a tab or a panel labeled Canvas. Click it to bring the canvas into focus. This is the space where you'll place and arrange visual elements, including text. Now look along the bottom toolbar of the canvas for the T icon. That's the text tool. Click the T and your cursor will change to indicate you're about to create a text box. Move your cursor onto the canvas and click once to insert a default size box, or click and drag to draw the exact size you want. If you're unsure about sizing, don't worry, you can resize and reposition it later. With the text box active, start typing your content. Keep an eye on line breaks and spacing so your message is clear. If your text runs long, you can drag the corners or edges of the box to make more room, and drag the box itself to nudge it into the perfect spot. Aim for a placement that leaves comfortable margins and feels balanced with other elements on the canvas. To add personality and emphasis, choose a color for your text. You'll find the color picker near the text controls. Select a color that contrasts well with the background so your words are easy to read. High contrast is best for accessibility and clarity. If your canvas uses a brand palette, match one of those colors for a consistent look. That's it. Your text is now added to the project canvas. Replit typically auto-saves, but give the editor a second to sync. When you're happy with the result, you're ready to continue building or share your updated project.